everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on Tyersall Close in the fantastic Ellesmere Park area to show you this lovely 3-bedroom detached property. As you can see, we've got the garage on the right hand side, off-road parking, which we'll go through to in a second. Our entrance hallway leads nicely onto this reception room, which is currently being used as an office. Now, this property is a fantastic family home, and that reception room could also double up as a playroom if needed. Now, coming through to this fantastic and very bright lounge area, complete with a bay window. So we've got plenty of space through here, which also leads to our very lovely modern fitted kitchen diner with ample storage space and worktop space, as you can see here. So we've got all our units, lights in the kickboards, got our dining area here, so we've got a Velux window, and this is part of the single story extension to the rear. So the property benefits from not only being situated in the fantastic and very well thought after Ellesmere Park area, we've also got a double story and single story rear extension, as you can see here. Fantastic low maintenance rear garden, complete with later lawn grass and paving. And we've also got this fantastic addition of the garage here at the side. Now, this is currently being used as a gym. You can see that we've got electric doors opening to the front there, as well as access around the side. So that's a great space, whether you wanted to use that as storage or again like a gym, as the current owner currently has it. So back through the kitchen and up the stairs, we will find 3 very generous size double bedrooms, an ensuite and our main bathroom. This property again is situated in the very fantastic area of Ellesmere Park, located nicely close to lots of amenities, transport links and green spaces. Also on the doorstep of Monton Village, and some fantastic walks as well. So this is our main bedroom. As you can see, we've got some fitted wardrobes there. We've also got the addition of this space. Now, this space is part of the extension. And we have got this fantastic, lovely modern ensuite shower room there, as you can see. Now, this room leads to our main bathroom. Lovely modern 3-piece bathroom suite, as you can see there. And we have our second bedroom, so this is bedroom 2 of 3. We've also got some wardrobe space over there, just in those doors, and again a really fantastic space, a very generous landing. And this is our third and final bedroom. So this has been this stunning 3-bedroom detached property over on Tyersall Close in Eccles, which is in Ellesmere Park. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.